你好, my name is Rose and I'm from Beijing, China, and this is my third year in QMS. So at first, I was really interested in horse riding, and that's the main reason why I came to QMS. However, when I came here, I tried horse riding and I wasn't really good at it, but I still love horse because I love animals. And the reason why I'm still saying QMS because I kind of like the community, which here is like a really close-knit community, because I'm a person who really likes to communicate with everyone and to be friends with everyone. So yeah, that's basically the reason why I stayed. My favorite experience here is joining the wrestling club, which I never thought I would be doing it before I came here, because in China, not a lot of people likes to do like this kind of like contact sports. However, I really fell in love with wrestling, and now I made a lot of achievements. I became six in BC, which it really left me like a good memory. Everyone's really nice here, so that's why we really should consider coming here. Because in China, we don't usually get a chance to talk with people from other different places around the world. So I think this is really a good chance for you to learn culture diversities and you just basically different languages and knowledges from other countries. 谢谢.
Ni hao, my name is Harry and I'm originally from China. Now I'm in grade 11. I came to QMS when I was grade 9. QMS is a small community and I'm able to focus on myself and find peace. Besides that, they also have an equestrian program, which is pretty special for me. And I was excited to join that program. My favorite experience is definitely working out with my friends every day. Back then when I was staying in Vancouver, I had to go to my friend's house. But now, since I'm in a boarding school, I can just knock on their doors and get them to go to the gym. QMS is a diverse community, and also we have quite a few Mandarin speakers here, so it's easier to adapt to a newer country and learn the new language.
谢谢